Anopa o sore a o hwe media no so a bo se Ivory Coast air trend pa yi ebi se ya two presidents ebi si ku akoso ebi se yentu no ebi si sei en kan TV me de just ni nyina bre obo mo da so be subscribe to channel no na wa share ama afoforo. Anopa o sore no hwe media no so a nse mebre air koso obi a air kan de o fa ha yesi ya two alasan watara o fa ha we sisi o fa ha we sisi I don't know how to for my hwehwemu na me say me de just nyina ebrew sebe ya where to draw the line na wa mfa nema amfrafra amkodi afrafra se mebre videos bi trend on TikTok any Facebook YouTube o hwa bo say soja phobi a tete buto so a chese omo kutakuta tuo ebinum azumi se the military from Ivory Coast na yes adwuma no na ohtie nsema manfo kana the manfo che nyina se Ivory Coast president no Alassane Ouattara ni nyuma di bia odi a ohyi se a one France chi tuma bi wo underground ti na soja fo no buafu a ma tu ni so sa asemi no krebe ne wom ya me hwehwemu it is unconfirmed mintim kasa confirmed unconfirmed eba for now you name the actual truth whether it's true say you kidnap the president Alassane Ouattara because you see for the past 4 days ni Alassane Ouattara obi ani hu no omo ehun ba ya wafa the question is say wafa he na nsema manfo kana no kra na because how come say for the past 4 days you hu Alassane Ouattara ne mamufo enimba bia wafa se watu kwan afri manum so o manum obi anim na de manfo kasa ya tu Alassane Ouattara eni nse mi ko so na nsen ohwe US military mo panyi eba Ivory Coast homa one Alassane Ouattara be din kita ho bi after that nso no nsem bi ko so one or two bi ko so ema Alassane Ouattara chate internet connection wo kurum ho nyina down ake say internet connection okurum ho nyina enya adwuma chite wo phone a wontimi nyere enko online wontimi ko social media na bako hwe dinti a manfo azumi se o market na pono ebi no because na Alassane Ouattara hunu se manfo mo woni kurum bloggers any the media na omo numbers on social media no nsem bi si a omo report a ekọ worldwide intem ena oshati internet connection e wokurum ho nyina down aje se wokurum ho de a internet connection bia enya adwuma gise bibia internet aje se obia be ka akiro unya na media no so hwe because internet enya adwuma wokurum ho ya shati internet connection down asimi wodwen ho sen minua survivor media official survivor enso abaye ne story a o chire mu se bibia sa NC ku enko so na bibia sa enko so but the Emma Emina kakra no fine internet connection enya adwuma okurum ho se bibi ekoso ya ye wo outside that country ye be na yate agise obi inside bi the information dey efi ho eba outside because internet connection enya adwuma na obi atwa akoto social media na wo so wahu bi nti gise obi efi ho no information na ba na se enye no kora eba ne sen na sa information eba out na eba ne sen ohwe videos no bi dia otumu videos no bi a to ekoso but for now the ma menene ya adwen kakra no up to now officially press release bi amae statement bi amae say kan nim say ka ku koso dia instantly na ya che president wi a ka military leader na odi animu no ko be ba bonte na wabeka ebia ye yi president sinchen ma take over say nka omo ba be press conference ana press release bi ba outside say ya kidnap president no ya ni say na FCC ekoro asimasi na ye dey take over bibi sa maye na bibi sa maye no information so trend say ku akoso no na eme na because odwen ho na odwen ho mienu internet connection nya adwuma hwe nkoso se bibi sa akoso mpo a akwese internet connection enya adwuma okurum hoyi ya ye wa outside ye be ne ate. That is my question. Enti yanko survivor media the video no so na yenhwe nsem ba ku menu bi a oka efa ho na yentoa dwumade ne so.
Is there coup d'etat in Ivory Coast or not? Let's find out what is happening. Ivory Coast has been trending seriously on all platforms. The country is currently facing high political tension and national anxiety due to widespread rumors of military coup, with videos backing it. On Wednesday, 21st May 2025, this unconfirmed report began to spread across all social media platforms. TikTok, Facebook, especially TikTok is wild, you know. I have been tagged on TikTok. My buttons have been tagged on TikTok until I got tired. On Facebook, it's all over all the social media platforms. The reports began to spread across, claiming that the government had been overthrown. The government of Alassane Ouattara had been overthrown, and that the president Alassane Ouattara was no longer in power. In actual fact, since May 19th, the whole thing started from 19, when there is a little bit of instability, you know, some unhappy or something that we can call minor protests and clash reported in some of the regions. People are not happy with the situation happening in the country. And then the following day, on May 20th, the situation had a little bit worsened, together with local sources claiming that 30 people had lost their lives due to the unrest in the country among civilians. Then from there, social media fueled fears and confusion, and much of this panics erupted from unconfirmed reports, where on social media platform, the users of social media platform are sharing disturbing content alleging of gunfire in major cities in, Ivory Coast, and mass killing, and even possible blackout of communication services across the country. People said there is no internet access to the people of Ivory Coast. The internet access has been disrupted. Some messages claim that the president had been kidnapped or unalived by rebellious soldiers, and other platforms are also saying that the president had fled the country. There were also allegations that the chief of army staff of Ivory Coast had been shot during the chaos and later died in a hospital. Serious claims. A particular social media platform posted that President Ouattara may have been unalive after the military allegedly seized power and took over from him. This particular social media platform fueled the whole thing the more. On Facebook alone, statistics show that 9,700 plus users were discussing the rumor of this coup as of Wednesday. Lovely family, despite the seriousness of these claims, major local and international news outlets have not confirmed any of these reports, and no official government statement was released by Wednesday night. One big question: where is the president Alassane Ouattara? Is it Alassane Ouattara? Yeah, that's the name. The central mystery of this whole chaos on the internet and confusion is the whereabouts of the president Ouattara. As of Wednesday, with no video appearance, speeches, or confirmed public sighting in recent days. So many people are asking, where is our president, including some Ivorians. This also has added to the growing fear and confusion on the internet about the coup being real. Some believe that the silence of the mainstream media and the authority of Ivory Coast means something serious has happened. And there are others also who are saying that this is just a rumor and simply part of a disinformation campaign designed to destabilize the country ahead of the October 2025 elections. Now, we are having a conflicting claims at the same time. Is there coup, or is just a false alarm? While social media, as you can see on trusted platforms, flooded with claims of this coup, other sources are strongly denying that there's no coup and there was no military takeover. According to some reports, President Ouattara is safe and still in.
Abusia me say o hwe video no na o tie de survivor media e kan ya na. Nsema na o chechiri mu nyina ne say videos a nkofo e post a e media no so no. Edo na old videos a nkofo bedi kan post dada. E na rumor no e ba ye no. ɛna nkɔfo ayɛ asan kɔfa sa videos no back ɛna ɔmo san repost to na alugu ti sɛ ɛyɛ new na wɔhwɛ video ya ɛyɛ asojafo ɛsisi moto so a o believe sɛ ɛyɛ videos bi a ɛkɔ so mmere bi a atwam relating to different issue koraa but ɛnam rumor na ɛyɛ circulating nti no ɛna manfo afa repost to for views and trend nse mi no kra be na wom unconfirmed ye nim no kra wom for now nti ye nyina e betwen na yahwe for the next few days na me yehwe say coup na akoso mpo a den am military leader na waye coup no say successful a oba ba ye abe kan no kra ana obeba abema the press release ama yahu say ampa coup akoso na coup no o support o support me de me nyina obi afa na emom de me ka kire Ghana for ana Africans nyina ne say de ekoso no send warning to all African leaders, all democratic leaders. Says Nema eboboba bibi kesibi eboboba na monhwe yie because fine Coup-Arise ekoso wo Ivory Coast say no kure say enye no kure but oko media no so a hwe se ne manfo ani age it means youth are in massive support of a military intervention which they will say so we democratic government na sa wotia konya no so a hwe oni ma yi tutuwa na mu yi na ye die kromafo no epe instead say wo be ye wo wa pede because wo ye de wo de wow pe etira konya se na wo ye de wo esi to a e kire wo say se kromafo no ebufu a o mesore so because fine e bitima ba say de e ko so Ivory Coast a e trendi e bitima ba say enye no kore but say enye no kore a wa bisa ho say e ba ne sen e na manfo e boje so sa oko videos no ho a ba bia be ko a obu video bia say no kore say enye no kore wo de bonru a comment section ho na wo de hwade keke na hwe manfo ba e bo sojafo na abaso so my ade so my take side decision no obisi my country is next obisi we and no send a very big warning to all the African leaders, especially the democratic leaders motie konya so a mo de moye mo ase mo bi say mo ne mo busi ankwa na mo behwe no mo hwe yi ko se mo hwe yi because ye koso no eboba se fi obi so a na eba so nti se obehwe wo de yi na wa yi a the earlier the better nti nsema ekoso Ivory Coast ekoso media no so no it is unconfirmed but me dear me believe say the ekoso no enokre ye ntwen ye nye hwidi bisi me believe say the ekoso no enokre in the sense ye say babia wusi efiri babia no den a ja wo ho because jani ho a wusi be na aba nti ye nhwe bibi yi de amama hu say omunti ma out no say internet connection enya adwuma okurum ho no eno na memedi yina so aka say ebe no kra because se bibi sa ekoso a omunti ma meka because internet connection nya adwuma na o ma be kan so abatin ma wate ndi ye ntwen kopim se o metima restore o internet connection no no ma be ma on press release na yahu na say sa me I'm a proud supporter men kan da because democratic leaders no o ma di ehwa che o metena so a promises akese but o metena so a enye de ye pe no mo ye de a esi tu o mo ye twen ye nyina ye twen ye hu nti we your first time I dey channel na bo mo na so be subscribe to channel na wa share am afoforo jaw comment section jaw comment comment section na say wa gye nkyere bia wo no jaw to ho ana say de wo so wate say no kore e bia wo adamfo bia wo so wo ho na wa sene wo de wate afa hu bia o so ja comment section na say me wa di nkra me di ni MC for and afoforo no be sanhia
East touch my mind Ghana mind yani mu be digwa day by day enterprise yasaswabo ye deal in all kinds of washing and bathing accoutrement retail and wholesale prices don't come me and nepa ho adaben
yo don't call me. And never want a bang.
Yatitu to say who selewa atufuabuo. Detergents no yewano assorto small, medium, and a big size. Duffy, Mosaic, Lavita, Cleansoft, Mada, Boom, So Clean. Detergents no yawa bucket mu de so ho. Bit say Cleansoft, Mada, Oro. Semina no so de abusu say tam. Semina bit say day by day so Chris, Della, Obolo Jumbo, Jama, Avel, Pella, Aqualis, Colors, Santex, Cleansoft, Mada, Nora, Kente, Dr. X, Athena, Flash, Oro, Easy, Saba no yawana kesiane nketwa, Kabalik Soap, Oli, Diva, Camel, Killer, Kedu, Luck, Cindy, Anna, Power Plus, Royal Leather, Medisoft, Meditwist, Jumbo Aqualis, Miss Paris, X-Men, Fresh Soap, Bella, Lifebuoy, Magico, Nakesiane Nketwa, Alata Semina, Imperial Leather, Maya, Blinko, Sunlight, NFA, hello. Emano so sewa kwa feature na wanya line no. Yas pad, proper pad, soft care pad, next pad, play me pad, Momo, blessing pad. You want different colors, comfits. And Matia Mokwa one so no comfort pad no. And also you will be ewa yaso ye. Disinfectant Dettol no so you will mu assault. You will mother Dettol. Camel, small, medium, and a large original Dettol. And Kuala Pampers no so de QT, JK, soft care, Nakasia, and Kitwan in a dantemu, sweet baby, pull up, sunny Pampers, blimmy Pampers. Someone certain fifre now per wipe so de your soft care wipe. Tamine, halitosis aje will say aboswana. Ye dealing all kinds of Pepsodent. Pepsodent 1, 2, 3, Pepsodent Charcoal, Close Up, Charlie, Tigard, and Angola. And Tuntumo Howard Demoswa, Yawande Kwe Enemy Spray, Sasso, Fatala, Heaven, Fast Kick, Sao Bakota, Taka to Sperere Sodie, Tiro no so ha, Coco, Pride, Natural, The Lords, Soft Care, and a Nadva Tiro, and your toilet roll. And Tadina Fiamma Usia, and Kikawano Edasuamwana, Parazone, Ehiamau, Mada Parazone, small and a big size, Bling Parazone, small and a big size. Se uwa chichini benche na witimi mba ya suya ya. Die hiani sa obe freye. And your man yebe package de kama. Ni adi ya sende o. We accept Momo. Yeji Momo. Ube tumi ya free day by day enterprise. Ewa umatu for iso. 0544-644-852. A day by day enterprise ana. Ya titu say who. Ye don't come me. Don't come me.
Don't call me. Atu Flabo.
Shisha day by day enterprise. Ewa Techimai. Sunyai station. Abron sign ewa achire ho peno. Day by day so.
Day by day so.
Ye kankwa atu Flabo.
Day by day enterprise can do spirit. Day by day soap and never wonder bed. As to
Every day different.